Langit no way.
Unod and panit. Unod and panit.
Diyan. Asa mo
Cannot satisfy yourself. Unod and panit cannot satisfy yourself. You'd better go on with the soup. Soup. Yes, soup. Capital QR is soup. Soup means that when you, it's like this.
Galingon na gani ka, karon pa ka magbabaw.
And this is panit. And this is soup. You cannot eat unod alone, or panit alone, or soup alone. But you must eat them all at once.
Oh, latwa.
Cannot be eaten anymore. That is why when you go through,
That is why Magellan go to town.
when you go to Los Mariachi, you must add the individual satisfaction. That is what we call ingredient. Unod, panit, duga. Duga means 60 kilograms.
Namoy, wala pa
Mind the pagling.
Sorry for the interruption. There is something interrupted over there.
Where?
Where? Anymore. I'm sorry. Anymore, I cannot. So,
Liki Park. Liki Park.
Ano i-title mo?
Liki Park. Liki Park.
Tagay, Joy.
Maklaro mo ninyo sa
Stars. Even without stars. Stars? Can you spell stars? Can you speak stars? May I ask you what stars means to you?
Answer. You're in the camera.
So that I can tell you, who are you? I am what I am. What is stars? Stars.
Tuyo sa cameraman.
Shining at the bright sky.
Huwag ka, totoo na siya.
Una, buha plus pa ka? Buha makakatabag. Because I can't hear. You should bungol ka. You should shout it out. Just like shout for joy. And you can bring graces. Go from Gary Valenciano, shout for joy. Okay. What is stars mean for you? Stars, what does it mean for you? Baby, a stone on the sky.
One more chance.
So, Simon, can you tell me what your stars mean? Okay, I tell you, and I tell you, and you, and we, questioning. Stars can be spelled by HQ minus 2. And it can also
A radical equation.
No, it's wrong. It's capital QRST. Ano lagi buot-buot? Kaya kung lagi storya. That is what? Stars.
Okay.
Stars is the twinkling of the twinkling. Twinkling over there. Over there and everywhere.
Mo ni sa si Dudong dyan. Ang atong host.
Pero nga, Ghost, yung kapatutoyo na
O, balik sa interview. Sana na mong guest to.
Ask me any questions you like. Ask me because I am.
You're not the interviewee. You're the interviewer.
Right now.
You're the host.
Oracle.
Sa 300 na mo na ba? Kaya ang Oracle dito ni Seo Sayaw. Kay numdum sa Oracle ka kita na kagapon.
Kita ka to sa 300. Sayo na. That is what Oracle is. Okay. Question.
An answer portion.
Okay. What is what? What is what? Can I ask you, what is what?
Layo pa kay ba? 12 minutes pa oh.
What is what? What is you? You please answer. Please answer me.
What is what?
And me alone. What is me? If is not you, but it is me. Because me, I am me. And you is you. That is why.
Isyot.
Answer me.
You, isyot.
Naglibog yan mo na una. Okay. I ask you, Mr. Butod. What is what?
What is what? What?
What do you want?
What is what?
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 What is the answer from the
What do you call that?
son of the sun?
Son of the sun.
Just like in the federal one, you see over there the white people going around like making little chicken. What is what? Albino. Okay.
Albino.
That is the answer of the albino people. Albino. 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 You know what albino is? Are you sure that? Do you know what albino is? Ramin. Explain to me what is albino. Ramin. I can't explain with you literally. Look at the mirror.
Literally.
But you can see yourself at the mirror. Then, by then, you know what albino means. No. Just look at the mirror.
Minsis, nagkatuwa.
Means pa is pa yun.
Because. Now, you know what albino means? Yes, Then look at the mirror and he knows what is albino is.
Siya.
No, shut.
Siya, wala sa ba?
Shut.
Uy, ako ano?
Wala na tayo.
Kang Juno.
Yun na.
Title ani, inuman sessions perto.
Ay, kani man din.
O gani, moro ka na naguro.
Puro mo
Sa pulutan, mo'y mukulot. Sa
Uy, wala pa ni mo giyan ng imong show ni mo. End na.
Mr. Host. Oh yeah.
what
oh,
is
yeah.
what?
Do you mean?
Oh, if you ask me question, what is what? Then what is what? To me,
To me.
for me, what is what? What?
Oh, what?
I'm asking you what. Then, mag-internet po para makita niyo na. Shut up. You should listen to me first before you.
YouTube.
Ang naong po.
Ay, buta sa YouTube.
Luwi kang naong.
Oh, ano yung magbili mo? Apon yun.
Ang ilong mo, ang ilong. Enough exposure. You are only extra. Here's the host. And the co-host.
Ano?
And the hostess.
What is
Ang
what?
daw sis.
When I ask you what,
Di!
you may say,
Commercial.
Commercial.
Don't go away with right back. Commercial.
babalik mo kami.